In this video, we'll introduce the concept of scheduling a SIL script. For our example, we'll create a SIL script that reindexes a Jira project in the middle of the night once a month. Then we'll add it to the scheduler. To begin, open the SIL Manager by clicking Settings, Marketplace Apps, SIL Manager. In the left-hand pane, let's create a folder named Scheduled Scripts and create a new script named reindex.sil. For our script, we're going to use one of SIL's admin routines that are only available to system administrators. On line 1, start typing ADM reindex. 3 matches display: ADM reindex issue, ADM reindex projects, and ADM reindex JQL query. In our example, we're going to reindex a project at a specified interval, so we'll select the reindex project option. The project we want to reindex is our support project, with a project key of SUP. So, we'll replace the project's variable in parentheses with SUP. Check the script. We see that it's successful. And now save it. To schedule the script, click Configurations in the left-hand pane and then Automations Scheduler. Click Schedule Job. In our example, we want the script to run on the first Saturday of the month at 11 p.m. Set the job type to cron, which is a standard language for scheduling jobs on servers. And note that PowerScripts uses Quartz Cron. I'll use an AI tool to help me generate the Quartz Cron expression, and a helpful description follows the expression, describing the entire format. Paste the cron expression into the schedule field, keeping in mind that cron expressions are evaluated against your Jira system's default server time, typically UTC. Be sure to convert 11 p.m. to your server's time zone before saving your schedule. Next, select the reindex script. In this example, the arguments field is blank. In the Run As field, since we're performing a reindex, select a user with admin rights. Save the schedule. Now, on the Scheduled Jobs page, we see that our next reindex will kick off at 11 p.m. on July 4th, the first Saturday in July. And there you have it. Your Jira project is now set to optimize itself on a regular off-peak cadence without any manual intervention. For more ways to automate your Jira instance with PowerScripts, check out our documentation library.